Good? Sorry.
I'm so happy to be here today. I've been sick for more than 2 years. I've been feeling pain for 2 years. This pain keep on going, coming, going. I don't know what's wrong with me. And I went to hospital to go to scan. After scan, I noticed that I have some space crack in my back. So I've been taking treatment in the former the hospital there, and for 30 days, but the pain is still there. But thank God that I'm here. After 1 day treatment, I feel it very nice. And I'm so happy that these guys are doing a great job. I'm so happy for them. So I'm that people should visit this hospital. Yeah, they're doing a nice job here. Today I'm feeling better. And I have to take this treatment for 5 days. This is the first day. I feel so good. Imagine the 4 days later, I think I'm going to be more 100% okay. I'm so happy to be here today. Thank you very much.